The numbers 1, 7, 19, 37, etc. are sometimes called snowflake numbers because they can be pictured as a pattern of dots, like this. A second number sequence is obtained by counting the number of dots on the lines shown in the pictures. Here we have a table made with the snowflake number for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. and a corresponding number of dots on each line. You can see that the second snowflake has 7 dots on the line and the third has 13, although there are 19 dots in total. So, our question is, how many dots on the lines would there be in a picture showing the 5th snowflake number? Okay, so now we're looking for a pattern in between the different numbers in this column, the number of dots on the lines. This is a second independent pattern. So from 7 to 13, we seem to have increased by 6. Then from 13 to 19, it's another increase by 6. So this pattern seems rather straightforward. To go from the 4th to 5th snowflake number sub-pattern, we'd have to add 6 again. So 19 plus 6 is 25, which is our answer here, B. That's how many dots there would be in the lines of a diagram showing the 5th snowflake number.